All right, so obviously we didn't bring you on to talk about tariffs, but we do have to talk about it right now.
Sure.
As someone who's a financial advisor, does that change any thesis for a lot of your clients? You always tell us a lot of your clients are long-term investors,
Sure.
but the idea of tariffs over the next 4 years, does that change anything?
Right now, no, right? Trump's doing what he does best, which is create a stir, create a little bit of chaos here so he can get to the negotiation table and maybe move some things around. So when we're thinking about tweaking long-term strategies on this idea, it's tough to do that. So we're going to wait to see what materializes and whether or not there are any strategic shifts that need to take place. Right now, it seems a little premature, but this is his play. We know this.
What about people who are single stock investors? If you look at a stock like AB InBev, it's down right now on this tariff news. You look at Constellation Brands. I would imagine a lot of retail names are going to be under pressure. Do you have any of your clients that are perhaps single stock investors and you need to maybe nudge them and say, hey, you're putting a lot of money in this one stock that may be disproportionately impacted?
Yeah, whether you have a single position that's impacted by tariffs or any other particular event, always thinking about risk management here, right? If we have a concentrated position, look at the year or years that we've had. Some insurance can go a long way here. So some of those option strategies might come into play, some limit orders, always making sure that you don't have a single position that could really destroy your long-term planning and goals that you have.
All right. Got to talk about another area of the market. The small caps hit an all-time high yesterday. A lot of people have been talking about small caps. You and I, before the show, we were joking about how many people have been talking about it, and now they're finally rallying. We're not going to name any names, Tom Lee. But what's your view on small caps when you're talking to your clients?
Yeah.
Is that part of the diversified portfolio, or do we more diversify by sectors, like the idea of tech, retail, and things like that? Are small caps part of that diversification?
Oh, yeah. This rally is welcomed for sure. Been sitting, let's say, take your 80-20 portfolio, your risk-adjusted portfolio. You're seeing about a 7 or 8% allocation to small caps, maybe 11 or 12% to mid caps. So basically, for the last year or two, you have large caps creating all this performance, and now you're getting, and they held their own, by the way, in these last earnings, but now you're getting a lift from small caps and mid caps as well. Glad it's in the portfolio. It's why you have it there, and you're going to get a little icing on the cake here in 2024.
Yeah, again, so small caps hit all-time record yesterday, pulling back a bit in the futures market. We'll have to see what the performance is, especially after this tariff news today. One other thing I want to ask you about, we continue to talk about, the markets hitting new records. We see the Dow, the S&P, the Nasdaq just hitting these new records. But at the same time, I'm just looking at the stats here. We see the money and money markets continue to grow.
Yeah.
What are your clients telling you? Do they want to stay on the sidelines? Do they want just that, I guess, the insurance of a money market, and you're going to get a certain amount of yield? Why aren't we seeing more people go into the markets? I would think it'd be hard to keep people out.
Yeah, so you still have rates relatively higher than where they were just a couple of years ago under zero interest rate policy. So the security and comfort that comes from holding some cash, that's still real, that's still there. However, I do see the deployment of that cash on more of an equal basis. We love dollar cost averaging. We like hedging against that psychological risk of putting all your money in the market at once, only to be greeted by a volatile moment. Nobody wants to have a 20% event after deploying a significant amount of cash. So it's a huge psychological play.
I'm going to correct you. I do want a 20% event if it's to the upside.
Yes, let's go north.